ये कहानी है मेरी अब तक की सबसे मुश्किल कैलीग्राफी पेंटिंग की एंड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मैं पेंट करने वाला हूँ उरूसुल कुरान सूरे रहमान। मगर ये एक स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड कैलीग्राफी नहीं थी। माई क्लाइंट वांटेड इट टू बी मेड इन अ सर्कुलर पैटर्न विद 3D effect inspired by the Iranian calligraphers. इसीलिए my first step was to create a digital design on Photoshop, which was quite time taking as the canvas was rectangular in shape and Surya Rahman has 78 verses. I created a few templates and later wife ki help se cross-check all the ayats and Arab from the Quran. Since my client's interior had neutral tones with a touch of dark green, I created two different drafts with custom-made shades of green. And we finalized to mix both the green tones for the background and gold for the calligraphy. Sub specifications locked karke, it was now time to paint the background. I poured out different shades of acrylic, titanium white, sap green, patalo blue and leaf green to create some custom tones. Sprayed water all over my canvas and I started painting with my favorite flat brush in crisscross movement. The idea was to create a transition of different shades of green as per my client's request. After 3 layers of paint, I painted the sides of the canvas and this is what the background looked like. My client loved it. And अब बारी थी for the most challenging part. अब बारी थी calligraphy की, जिसके लिए I picked up my favorite gold foil paint and a small angular brush. Canvas के center से calligraphy start की and made a transparent green tone for 3D effect. For blending, I picked up a small round maker brush and created this tonal variation by moving my brush in circular motion. हर सर्कल के लिए I repeated the same process and even used my fingers to smudge the tones. This created a 3D shadow effect between the circles, resulting in a beautiful fusion of gold and green. However, this wasn't the most difficult bit for me. It was the calligraphy itself, as Surya Rahman has 352 words and calligraphy का size बहुत intricate था. Circular pattern की वजह से I had to keep rotating the canvas to make the calligraphy strokes perfect. Yet edges की calligraphy took a lot of time and patience. सच बताऊं तो बहुत बार हिम्मत टूटी. माई फिंगर्स एंड बैक ऑलमोस्ट गेव अप एंड लगा कि शायद ये पेंटिंग बहुत टाइम लेगी, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह ने हिम्मत दी. एंड आफ्टर 3 months and uncountable hours of hard work, 2 broken brushes and a week of sore back, this was the final result. If you are also interested in a customized painting, then DM me for details.